Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes every weekend. Today, I'm sharing a recipe of stuffed tofu sheets, which to me serves as a great alternative to sausage. This easy to make Chinese appetizer is quite popular in the northeastern part of China, so get your wine ready and let's cook together. To make the fillings, 1 pound of ground pork, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons cooking wine, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon white pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of 5 spices. Half a teaspoon of salt. Mix. Half a cup of chopped scallion, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, crack 1 large egg, three tablespoons starch. Mix well and set aside. For the wrap, we are going to use the thin tofu sheet. Spread about a third of the fillings as evenly as you can. Of course, depending on the size of the sheet, please adjust the amount of fillings accordingly. Make sure every corner is filled. Roll the tofu sheet up as tightly as possible. Leave the opening on the bottom so it stays sealed. Repeat the steps 3 times. Put all 3 rolls in a steamer. High heat, steam for 20 minutes. Twenty minutes later, rub some sesame oils on the rolls. After cooling the rolls down, we can slice and serve at this point. However, adding a step of smoking enhances the taste drastically. So I'm going to leave one roll as is and smoke the other two. In the wok, 1 sheet of parchment paper, add a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of tea, red, black, or green, all okay. Put a shelf, then the rolls on top of the shelf. Cover. High heat. Once smoke comes out, drop the temperature to medium. Wait for 3 minutes and switch up the heat. Leave it for another 5 minutes. Then it is ready. Slice them into 2 to 3 millimeter thick discs and serve. Sip some wine, put a little disc in your mouth, then imagine snow-covered ground right outside. Welcome to my hometown. Well, thanks for staying through the end of the video and hope you enjoyed the recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Until next time, happy cooking.